Todd again doing hunting for tools, budget tools, mechanic tools, all kind of tools. Alright, here we go. So, talked about Duratech. I needed some more pliers. And I gotta tell you, this is a beautiful box. It's beautiful laid out. I just love the colors here. I needed a good set of side cuts or diagonals. And I need a nicer pair of the long nose pliers, needle nose I call them. So you get your cool little pamphlet there telling you about Duratech. You got their wide variety of tools here, and you know, one of the biggest things too is just that packaging is so nice as well. But a broad range of nice mechanics tools. Very, very impressive. I haven't even looked at all this yet, but I think the biggest thing, like I said, is just that the colors are very, very impressive. I should check in their torque wrenches because I do need some of their smaller, like inch-pound torque wrenches. So you might see one of those soon. So there you go. So here we are. Nice side cuts, diagonal cutters. Very, very good quality. I think for the price, I believe these were $20. Nice grooves there, so they'll really catch for wire, etc. And that handle is impressive too. I do like that handle. Colors are nice. Nice texture there too. It's not just going to slip out of your hand. And depending on what you're working on, you know, it's got that nice, able to do with your pinkies there too. So, got the nice hex head adapter, or not adapter, but your tightening bolt there. But it's a really nice laid out package, which I think is impressive. That does lend to the, you know, the price of it. You got your lineman cutters, and that's got a nice little lock almost to it. But I mean, it's just a beautiful tool, and I'm a sucker for liking color on everything. So being able to have a tealy blue in my toolbox is going to be handy. All right, Duratech. That has a nice needle nose. Let me get you this other budget set that I've picked up. These real cheapy ones, and they'll work. This is like a Walmart brand, but you do see the difference in handle and that needle nose length there. So handle's about the same, but that length, so this is going to be very, very handy. Not quite as great as my dad's old 70s or early 80s snap-ons, but fraction of the cost. You couldn't even get one set of needle nose snap-ons for $20. And granted, different tool for different purposes. So I'm impressed. We'll wait and see if you see more Duratech tools on the channel. But there you go. Duratech 3 plier set, $20 off Amazon. Thanks for watching. Bye.